Right, things you can cook in your air fryer, episode 4. And today what we have in the air fryer, humming away here, sitting currently on 170 degrees, which is 320 degrees, or maybe more, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. And what I actually have in here is a whole roast chicken, and I've also got enough room that I've put some roasted vegetables around the edge, and today's roasted vegetables are zucchini and onion that is in there, which is fantastic. Now when it comes to cooking your chicken in your air fryer, just a quick little hint for you guys. You may notice that I've actually got the backbone, which is there, facing up, and I've got the breast facing down. I don't normally cook my chicken that way in the oven, but because the majority of the heat is coming from up here, so it's a top heat here, I don't want to dry out the breast of the chicken, so I've actually got that put down onto the rack. So that's probably the biggest tip that I've got for you guys. If you do have an air fryer large enough to roast a whole chicken, you can start it on breast side facing up for the first 20 minutes, and then I always flip it down and cook it the most of its time breast facing down, so we don't dry out the breast, and because the top heat is coming here, so that will dry out that really tender breast meat, which we don't want to do. And if you're wondering what I have on my chicken, I made my own little Jamaican jerk dry rub, and you can see that it's getting all crispy, and it's probably got about another 20 minutes to go. All right, back soon with an update. See ya.